less depression, better sleep, more confidence, and lower stress levels, and all thanks to one simple practice. Flow tip 31 might surprise you, but is here to show you just how powerful one seemingly small habit can actually be. And of course, I talk about gratitude. UCLA Health reviewed 70, that's 70 studies on gratitude and mental health and found a very clear pattern. People who practiced gratitude consistently reported lower levels of depression. And it doesn't stop there. Gratitude has also been linked to improved sleep quality, higher self-esteem, reduced stress, and even a stronger immune system. Yes, you heard that right. Feeling grateful can actually boost your physical health. Honestly, I used to think gratitude was just one of those bingly bongly alternative ideas that felt nice, yes, but didn't really hold any weight. But as it turns out, it's backed by a lot of science and it's changed my life. So please take this seriously. So here's the thing. Gratitude works because it helps shift our focus. We've talked about this kind of shift a lot in these 33 days to flow already. When we practice gratitude, we train our brains to see the positive aspects of our lives, which rewires our neural pathways over time. Neuroscientific studies have shown that regularly practicing gratitude increases activity in the brain's prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for planning, decision making, and moderating social behavior. And that leads to a more positive and resilient mindset overall. And making gratitude work for you is actually quite simple. One way to begin is to keep a gratitude journal. Just a small book like this one is enough. Actually, any way to make a list is enough. And then ideally, every morning and evening, yes, write down 3 to 5 things that you are grateful for. They don't have to be grand or life-changing. Sometimes it's the smallest things that bring the most joy. I actually remember working with a young football player who struggled with his practice because he couldn't find something big to be grateful for every day. He said, well, Guido, I'm not shooting goals or winning games every single day, so I don't always have something to be grateful for. And I reminded him it's not about the size of the event, it's about the feeling that gratitude generates. It's a muscle, and the more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Whether it's a big win or a warm cup of coffee, what matters is that genuine feeling of appreciation. And over time, this daily practice will rewire your brain to notice the good more easily, making gratitude a natural part of your day. Especially when you do that gratitude list in the morning, it beautifully sets the tone for your day. And here's a pro tip. Do this before you check your phone or dive into your messages or especially the news. Just ask yourself, what am I grateful for right now? It's a small act with a huge impact. And yes, I understand that sometimes it feels like there is nothing to be grateful for. But know that even in the darkest of times, there are always little specks of light. Maybe it's having clean water, or a roof over your head, or simply the smile someone gave you on the street. Focus on those small things, those small specks of light, and you'll find they begin to grow and take up more room in your heart and mind. And here's an extra little secret sauce. Link your gratitude to your vision. Do your lists and remind yourself of what you are grateful for before you go into a strategy session, or even visualize and see how it lights an extra fire under your excitement and turns your flow into a massive stream. So let me ask you, what are 3 things that you are grateful for right now?